Hey guys, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So guys, in this video I'm going to give you business ideas, like online ideas that you people have probably not heard about before, or you probably heard about them but you don't really know what they entail. Please stick till the end because these are very good ideas. Like, you can start them and start getting money online, and I will need you to concentrate so that you can understand how they go about. Before we start, if you're new here, hi, my name is Ankiki. I do money making videos. We grow together. I help other people grow online. I also give ideas that are not online business ideas but are also business ideas. So feel free to subscribe to my channel because it's free of charge. And also make sure you like this video because I know it's going to be interesting, you guys. It will be interesting. In this channel, I don't do anything fake, and I hate those links that are scam. So if you come dropping those fake links here, I'm going to block you from this channel. So I know so far I've blocked many people because I hate seeing those links. I do. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. The first business idea, like the first online idea that you guys need to try right now, is drop shipping. What does it entail? So drop shipping is usually store, like a store that doesn't have any products with it. It doesn't keep anything in stock. What it does, it uses a third party. The third party could be a wholesaler or another retailer, and that is how they sell products now directly to the customers. So all you do is put a product in your store, like online, and then now when someone shows interest to go now, for example, using Shopify, so you go take a product from Shopify, and then you post it in your account, and then when someone now clicks that product, go to Shopify, then sell that product directly to the person without having to put your things in stock. And that's how it goes. Like, you become like a shop, but you're not really a shop. I don't know if you guys get me, but yeah, that's all about drop shipping. The good thing about it is that you can sell a product worldwide because it's a worldwide account, so you don't even have to worry about anything, and you can make so much profit. Like, for example, if a wholesaler is selling a product at $10, then you go and put it in your own profile as $20. So when that person comes and shows interest, you go buy the product at $10, then resell it at $20, or whichever amount that you wanted to resell it at. And yeah, that's how you make profit through drop shipping. You don't have to worry about your things getting spoiled or anything because you're not the one who will be keeping them in stock. So yeah, it's a good way to sell because you don't go any losses, any like spoilage losses or something of that sort. So yeah, I hope you guys try that and tell me in the comment section whether you've tried it before or if you're hearing it now for the first time. Yeah guys, the second way to earn money is through affiliate links or affiliate marketing. I know you guys have heard probably about affiliate marketing, but you've not tried it yet. So in affiliate marketing, this is what you do. You, first of all, you can get paid by referring people, like bringing a new customer to the shop or to that whatever, or bringing a new person. As long as you invite someone to their whatever and they use their link or your code, you get to earn. And you can also earn by marketing a product. For example, if you have a huge following on social media, e.g. on Instagram, Facebook, you can go, for example, to Jumia, take a product, market it, and then when someone shows interest in when one of your friends show interest, you refer them using a link. So when they buy that product using your link, you get a commission, and also the person might get a little refund or something of that sort. So you need to know which shops or which sites have affiliate marketing or affiliate links. So yeah, another way to earn money online is print on demand. Have you guys heard about that before? Comment down and tell me whether you've heard about print on demand. For this one, you just sell customized t-shirts, customized books. It's a wide variety, like you sell customized things. Now, for example, a supplier may tell you to design t-shirts for them, for example, an artist or something. So you design t-shirts using your own design, and then they will tell you to print, for example, 10 pieces whenever they get a demand. So your work is to print when there's demand. That's why it's called print on demand. So you don't have to go losses of printing so much yet nobody will buy. No, the supplier will tell you, I want like 3 copies or something. Also, you can print books, just anything. Mostly it's artists who love t-shirts or branded things. So yeah, I hope you guys try print on demand, and if you tried it, please also share with us your experience down in the comments below. The next way or the next thing that I know many people have not tried and you've got to try right now is web design. Web design involves production or the way you are going to represent a website online. So what you basically do is to design a website for a certain company, and you have to be creative and you have to use a lot of visual things like photography or something, and make sure it is searchable, like SEO, search engine optimization. It has to be with a good, like, you have to look for good keywords so that you can be a good web designer. I know many people have not tried web designing, so you've got to try it right now. And also, in relation to that, there's another one called graphic design. These are 2 different things. For graphic design, you design texts, visuals, anything. As long as you can be creative, you can try it, guys. So you can design for magazines, for newspapers, books, anything. Graphic design is a broader way or a broader spectrum, but you guys can try all those designs as long as you're creative, as long as you know how to use photography to express feelings or something of that sort. So yeah, guys, and the next thing I know many people have tried and failed or not tried is freelancing, you guys. There are so many sites for freelance. You can be an online writer, you can transcribe, you can be a tutor online. Freelance is a wide spectrum. If you've not yet tried any of those and you have free access to internet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, if you're good at teaching or at a skill and you're jobless, you're in the house, just go and become an online tutor. Tute people, prepare a schedule with them, and then teach them your skill. For the meantime, you can earn money by that, guys. You know how to cook, you know how to do something, become an online tutor. You could tute people to cook. People online are looking for such things, guys, and the demand is more than the supply. So yeah, try doing that. You can also become an online writer, do for people assignments. I have tried it. Okay, I would say online writing is not easy, but it's also not hard. All you need to do is to have a lot of free time, because you need to concentrate and do good work for people so that you'll be recommended and so that you'll get 5 stars. You can also try transcribing. Transcription, actually, it depends on someone's accent. So you can try your luck and transcribe. You can do so many things with online, like you can do so many things online, you guys. I know I've left so many other opportunities. Please feel free to share down in the comment section with us so that we will know, and make sure you're not coming here to scam us also, because if you try to scam, I will block you. and I will report you to YouTube also. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you really enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like it so that I will know that you enjoyed watching it. You can share with your friends, let them know. I hope you guys try these ideas because they are so unique and they are good. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope to see you in my next. As always, I always bring you very good content, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And yeah, bye.